So this is our flame line, Chancars curve. Oh my God. Everybody know the chankers, but this one in particular give opportunity to start and finish the dog very, very quick. And the job you do is incredible because the blade you use is a convex blade. Is the shape of the blade that is a little bit concave like that. And when it's cut in a lot hair and finishing in the same time. That is really important. That means you don't have to work so much after to finish it perfectly the hair. The handle here, something very good is the position of the two rings is not too big or it's not too small. So you see the little 3 diamond? I love that. When you cut with some lights, it's incredible because it's flashing. Very robust scissor again. No power when you cut, okay? Nice and gentle. You don't need to use your muscle. Of course, this scissor in particular is very good for curve lines that you see. Pomeranian normally are curve lines everywhere. This is why I have this dog on the table. Right, Coco. Now, because it's a curve, in the same time I'm cutting, it's make a shape that is incredible. Oh, I like it people when say, oh my God, you make a shape. Yes, it is, but the scissor give me opportunity to be very, very quick.